Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class. Students, this is your computer period. I hope you all have well. So, students, open your computer book, page number 15. Today we start new chapter 2. Chapter name is Parts of a Computer. So, students, open your book and let's start our work. I hope you all have purchased your books. So let's open your book. Let's start our work. Students, I hope you all have opened your computer book. Now, today we start new chapter number 2. Chapter name is Parts of a Computer. Open page number 15. I hope you all have read it in previous classes. Parts of a computer. I hope you know that there is 4 main parts of a computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. There are 4 main parts of a computer. So let us start and we have discussed one by one. In the previous classes, you were introduced to the main parts of a computer. Let us learn more about them. You will also learn about some additional parts of a computer. Okay, in this chapter, we have learned main parts of a computer. A computer has 4 main parts. How many parts? It's a 4 main parts of a computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. All these parts are connected by wire. I hope you all know the meaning of wire. See, in this picture you have seen 4 main parts of a computer: monitor, CPU, mouse and this is keyboard. Okay, all these are connected with a wire. See, this is a wire. In Hindi you all know tar. Is that clear? This is a wire. It will connect it all the parts of the computer. Let us learn about these parts one by one. So first is monitor. Look at this picture. This is a monitor. A monitor looks like a television. It can display words, images and videos. A monitor is also called a visual display unit. In short, we will say that VDU. Okay. So, monitor look like a television. Okay. And it can display. We can see in this. We can see the words, images, videos. We have listened the music and many more things. We can draw the pictures. We can save the files. We can do everything, and we can. It will display in the monitor. Is that clear? Now come to next part, that is CPU. Look at this picture. This is a CPU cabinet. Okay, under this, inside the cabinet, This is a CPU. This is a chip. Okay. This is inside the cabinet. It is a box. The central processing unit, in short we say CPU, is inside the CPU cabinet. It controls all the other parts of a computer connected to it. CPU is a short form of central processing unit, and under this this is a cabinet. This is CPU. It is inside in the cabinet and it control all the parts of the computer and connected to it. If for example we have a brain, okay, and if our brain is not working, what we have to do? We can talk rubbishly, we can move here and there, we are not combing our hair and many more things. So in a human body, if our brain is a CPU, same like this, CPU is also called a brain of the computer. Beta, if CPU is not working, then computer, mouse, monitor, keyboard is useless. Okay, if our brain is not working, so what happened? Our body is useless. We have no, we don't have money, we don't know anyone. Is that clear? Same like the CPU. CPU is also called a brain of the computer. If CPU is not working, then this monitor, keyboard, mouse is useless. Is that clear? So students, today we discuss only two parts of the computer. Tomorrow we will continue two more parts of the computer. So I hope you all have understood. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.